Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will cover more about lifestyle since this is one of the purpose of the channel aside from travel. So in today's video, this is the kind of lifestyle that I would like to share you about that I consider healthy and it's fun. It's time for a break, to relax, and to unwind. So join us as we walk along Manila City Harbor to the Seascape Village and around Vita Cruz. Along with it, we will have food trips and a tour around Malati area, and we will enjoy the rest of the day. So what are we waiting for? Let's go!
I don't wanna tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah.
This is probably not the kind of lifestyle that you want to know about, but this is actually my worthwhile experience while staying here in Manila around Vita Cruz that gives me the opportunity to walk around every other afternoon in this beautiful harbor and stayed along LRT station, a very convenient place for me to become healthy and become a better person.
I'm in Greece. And they're dating. Sana all.
Here at Harbor Square, Malati, this is a popular area within the CCP complex that offers a variety of dining, shopping, and entertainment options, with a focus of enjoying the Manila Bay view and the salty sea air of the city.
Stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Right before I go, that's the time that I'm gonna show all the crazy things that I'm gonna do to you, baby.
Center, yes. Okay pa naman.
Uncomfortable.
Oh, Ocean Park.
At this moment, we have made already around 4,000 steps going to the Seascape Village from Vita Cruz, Malati. The best thing about this place is that this village will allow you to enjoy a tropical, fresh seafood dining experience right in the middle of the city. Also, there are a number of entertainment that you can do here, like walking in the boardwalk, watch pyro musical concerts, and then you can also play tennis from here. So this is one of the best place if you want to have a romantic date with your partner as a couple or with your family and friends, and if you're craving fresh seafoods.
Gapula mo, the fish are so fresh. You can buy fresh sharks, lobster. Oo, parang shark talaga, diba? Tapos, wow, this is what babakot always. Ano yan? Parang worm. Ay, fishy. Yun talaga malaki. Hello! Ay, Choi Garden. The Coastal Stage. Yes. Sayang lang, 'di ba? Iba-iba pala yung design na lang. Oo.
Yung iba na close na. Pero yung iba mga stall sirado.
Ay, oo. Star City walking. Yan. Daan lang kami. Let's go. We're here in front of Cultural Center of the Philippines. That's the view, guys. This is nighttime. We did some walking there. Over there is a little theater and the Star City. Oh, wow! Seafoods! Yan. Sarap niya. Wow! We're still here, Agapula mo. Hala, ang daming tao. Shawarma. Ah, Babe Mike shawarma. Gusto mo i-try? Bibili tayo?
Palagay na rin dyan sa isa.
Shawarma?
Ano ko pala?
Sarap. Okay.
Good, sarap.
Let's go. I like this place. Love you. A train just passed by. Ah. Over there, there's a mall there. R Square Mall.
So this is nighttime now here at Vita Cruz. This is the place that I used to stay, and it's very convenient. Everything is in here: salon, restaurants, malls, bars, laundry shops, school, church, convenience stores, supermarkets, coffee shops, and so on. On my next video, I will give more details about this place and in the place that I used to stay. And if you're looking for a very affordable place to stay for a long term here in Manila, then that will be the video that you need. Either bed space or room for rent, especially in Malati and Pasay area. So if you have not subscribed this channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing, and I hope to see you there. So this time, we're quite hungry after a long walk, so it's time to eat. We are currently at Phu Mahal. This is a Vietnamese restaurant that a lot of people dine here because they have vegan-friendly foods and affordable menu at your choice.
Let's eat. Bon appetit! Wow! Wow! Sarap. Sarap. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Isa lang.
Then after that, we're not contented yet. We ordered a matcha at Sus Cafe for a dessert. So this is the last steps that we took that made us reach 10,000 steps. For this day, we went up to the 16th floor of Madison Square condo building to see the top view and the beautiful lights of the city.
Over there is a canteen. It's my first time coming here as well. Tada! Ayan, ayan, nakikita na. Galing, may pabalik na train.
Timing.
Pero hindi ko na-on yung pa-stabilize na.
May grabbing lights no? Sana may makita tayo dito sa atin.
Oo nga.
So this is all the video for tonight. I hope you have enjoyed our walk trip today, and I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. I love you. Be well. God bless. Bye-bye. Mwah.